So, you think you're ready should emergency strike? What if I told you there's an easy way to test that? Let's talk about it. The first thing I need to say is you probably need to discuss this with your significant other. There could be, well, blowback. I highly suggest that if you elect to go down this road, that you do it for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, which makes it darn inconvenient, but it will give you an absolute accurate picture on at least many of your preparations for disaster. I want you to find your electrical panel. There's a very big breaker at the top. It's a bigger switch looking thing for those of you that are electrically challenged. And you put that to the off position. It'll shut all the power off to your home. That's when things get exciting. Once the power's off, you're going to notice that, well, the lights don't come on, Wi-Fi doesn't work, phones don't charge, TVs don't come on, and Lord knows what else doesn't work, i.e. refrigerators, freezers, stoves. It just depends on how you're set up. But nonetheless, this will give you an amazing idea of how prepared you are or how prepared you are not. If you do this, say, after everybody goes to bed, they get up in the morning, things get really exciting, especially if you have kids. Do you have a generator? If you do, good for you. If you don't, well, you're going to be in the dark for a while. But if you do, you might practice hooking it up to the house, assuming that you're even wired to do so. Or if you're going to run 18 different extension cords here, there, and everywhere, you might see what your generator will do and probably reevaluate how dangerous that really is. How about lighting? What are you going to do about lights? Flashlights only last so long, or at least the batteries do. What about oil lamps? Seems like a pretty good solution. How are you going to deal with being in the dark, especially if it takes a day or two to get your power back on, should the emergency actually occur? Should you do this test? You'll know what you need to do. I get a lot of questions from the SHIT. No, that's not what that is. SHTF people. So maybe this will give you an idea what to do in an emergency or prepare for emergency. Until next time, I'll see you down at the barn.